All right, so today I'm excited to share this recipe with you. You know, around the holidays, there's certain drinks that people like to enjoy, including myself. Things like horchata, things like pumpkin spice, and even eggnog. This drink that I put together today is kind of a combination of all those, just some spices and things that I threw together to kind of give a nice warm feeling around the holidays. Now, you can have this hot or cold. Either way, it's absolutely delicious. Let's talk about what I'm using to make it. Here I have some almonds and some dates that I soaked. It's very important that the almonds and the dates are soaked. I've got some oats. Now, the oats are just to make it creamier. If you're someone who doesn't eat oats, you can just eliminate the oats. It won't be quite as rich and quite as creamy, but still very good. But I love using the oats. We're gonna use some cinnamon, some pumpkin spice, and some vanilla bean powder to bring some really nice flavors to this as well. So we're gonna combine these things, run it through the KUVINGS juicer, and then we're gonna serve it up. So let's do it.
So there are a lot of foods that we associate with the holidays, but when it comes to drinks, I think the two most popular are apple cider and eggnog. And I do have recipes for those, so if they're your favorites, you can check those out too. But this holiday milk may become my favorite. The combination of oats and nuts gives it the creaminess that makes it the perfect texture, and then the vanilla flavor is the part that I like the most, and you can really taste it in this drink. And of course, it's always healthier when you make your own.
All right, and just like that, without a lot of effort, I got this delicious drink made, perfect for the holidays, something familiar but with a twist. You'll absolutely love it. And now let's give it a taste. Cheers.